In this video, we are going to show you how to install this V3F Hardwire Kit provided by Terunsoul for review. This hardwire kit enables parking mode for all Terunsoul series dashcam. Features low voltage protection, which monitors your voltage status, and cut-off power to the dashcam if voltage drops below your configured threshold to prevent battery drain. Equipped with surge protection in case of a voltage spike, has a mini voltage screen with a plus or minus button to adjust your voltage protection. Includes everything you need to install, like your voltmeter, a pry tool, 8 piggyback fuse taps with the fuse, a fuse puller, and your user manual. If you're interested in this product, I'm going to leave the product link in the description below. Depending on your vehicle, look for your interior fuse box. For this vehicle, it happened to be under the glove box on the passenger side. Right under there. Right now, we're going to look for your constant power, which is your yellow, your B plus, your yellow wire. So I have a little tester here. The vehicle is off. First, we're going to go ahead and test out some empty slots. See if they have power going through it when the vehicle is off. That would be your constant power. Let's check this slot here. One side has no power. Check the other side. No power. Let's check this one here. One side has no power. Check the other side. Oh, so this one does have power going through it. The vehicle is off and this still has power going through it. The top side, the bottom does not. So we are going to use this blank space for your yellow wire. Take one of your included fuse taps, and if you remember, this top part here is the one that has power going through. When you plug in their included fuse tap, you want to make sure that the power source is on the outer side, not on the inner side. So you want to plug it this way. This would be the correct orientation. Since there was no fuse there, I don't need to put a fuse in here. So that's where we'll plug in our yellow constant wire. Next, we look for your ACC wire. So the vehicle is off. I'm going to tap into this fuse right here. So there is no current going through. Let's go ahead and remove that fuse. And we're going to go ahead and take that fuse that we removed and plug it in here. Then we determine the correct orientation. Right now, the vehicle is off and both sides of the fuse does not have power. Let's go ahead and turn on the vehicle. Now that the vehicle's on, we're going to test which side has the power going through. The top side does not, and the bottom side is the one that has the power going through. So remember, the outer side is where you want the power to go through. So we're going to plug this in this way. So this is where you plug in your constant, your yellow wire, and this is where you plug in your ACC red wire. You want to choose a bolt that is unpainted for a good ground connection. Then we connect your yellow wire, your constant, and on the top we connect your red wire, your ACC wire. We have your ground, your ACC wire, and your positive wire. Then we just run this along up to your dash cam. As you can see, it's all working. Right now, the low voltage protection is set at 12 volts. You can bring it down to as low as 11.8 volts or bring it up to 12.9 volts. You want to run your power all the way behind your curtain airbags, then into your dash cam. Now let's go ahead and start up the vehicle.
If you have not done so already, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and I'll bring you more content just like this. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.